In this video, we'll see how to open a Seclore email on Mac. Let's get started. Click Install Seclore to install the Seclore app. If you already have the Seclore app installed, you can skip this step. Once the app is installed, click Sign In. Enter your work email if you're an employee of the organization. If you're a vendor or partner, enter the email ID you use to communicate with this organization. Once you're logged into Seclore, your protected emails will appear within Outlook itself. Similarly, you can open classified emails in Outlook on Mac. Visual markings indicate that the email is classified. You can also reply to the email. However, the classification of the email will not be retained. For more help, write to support@seclore.com.